Hello viewers, welcome to Node.js tutorial. Today I will describe about node module. So what is a module in Node.js? Consider module to be the same as JavaScript library. A set of function you want include in your application. Built-in module. One is built-in module and another is custom module as you define. Node.js has a set of built-in module which you can use without any further installation. So now we will see the how we can include module. To include a module, use a required function with the name of module. Suppose bar http QUI require http. So here is the http module. This is the required This is the required function to load the module, http module. Now our application has access to http module and it's able to create server. Now we will create server http module create create server function with the request and response callback application. That is the res dot suppose write head 200 and then set to the content type text by HTML. Res dot and hello world, and finally we need to set the port by listen port suppose 8080. So now we can run our project. Node, our file name is index.js. So our Node.js module ran in port 8080. Now we will check 8080 in browser. Localhost 8080. So here is the showing the hello world. This is our output of Node.js. So this is the built-in module of HTTP. Now we will show the custom module. So how we can create a custom module and how we can include custom module in main.js. Now I will create the module, suppose my first module.js. Here's the JS file. Suppose our module name export dot my date time. Module name is my date time. My date time is a function of module. Function, sorry, here is the function as the return date. Here is the export keyword, and this is the callback function my date time. So my date time function module export, and when it export it will available in outside the world. And now we include the our custom module, my first module. So we will include the module bar http my module require my module name is my first module. So we include the require the module and has the my module. So my module is the variable. So now we will access by my module. Suppose hello world dot my module dot function name. Function name is my date time, and this is the module function. Here we have defined in my first module my date time, and has the include my module, and finally module function call by module by variable my module dot my date time. So now we will run our project again. Not showing, so we need to run again Node.js in node index.js. Here is the showing error. Now we will see the output. So here is the hello world. This is the our module function date time, return the date time Friday. This is the date, return the date time, return the date, all attribute of date. Thank you so much.